Welcome friends, my name is Yuri. In this lesson you will learn top mistakes in trading which you need to avoid. Let's go! In this lesson I will show you the biggest mistakes which I personally have done and which cost me so huge amount of money. Maybe together I lost 50k on all these mistakes. When you will avoid it, believe me, it will save you few years in your trading career, and also it will save you thousands of USD, thousands, for some people even 100,000. That's why, friends, it's important for you to push like and share this lesson with other people, because YouTube will see that this lesson is important and I do it 100% for free. That's why push like, subscribe and share with your friends. Let's go! First, the biggest mistakes of all traders, it is unrealistic expectation. Because many of you, I think, saw that ad of eToro, like you can be on a couch, you can do nothing, and some trader will trade for you and you will earn a lot of money. Or some brokers call to you and say like, Hi Jason, we will trade for you, our analytic will help you, just deposit money and you will do nothing. Friends, don't believe in that stuff, because trading, it is also a job. You need to learn how market based, you need to learn trading strategy. You need to master this strategy, and it took a lot of time. For some people it will take a year, for some people, like for me, it took 5 years. It would be completely different. But the biggest reason of all your mistakes, it is unrealistic expectation. You will not get money fast. Those who will make money fast, you will get a huge problem, because you will believe that it will be fast money, and in most cases you will blow out far more. Because unrealistic expectation, you can make other mistakes. Second huge mistake which you can do because of huge unrealistic expectation is trading without education. When you believe that it is so easy and fast, you don't need to study, because just push a button and take money. That's why most of freshers don't have good education. Why it's important to get good education? Because good teacher will help you with understanding of market, how market based, about risk, about all that stuff, how to choose good company, broker. That stuff will save you thousands of USD. Thousands, because when we will speak about risk management mistakes, you will understand how much people blew out and how many messages I get. And that's why, friends, about education once more, why it's so important. First, good education will save you thousands of USD, because I personally lost nearly 50k, which I could save and I could make even more if I would take good education. I personally take good education only after 5 years in trading, only 5 years in trading. And I paid for my education 20,000 euro, it was for 1 year. Second, good education, you will get a plan. A plan we will speak about, it will be another mistake. You will get a plan what to do, and you will understand how to grow, for where you can leave a job, where you cannot. That's why education is important. Third mistake which you can do when you don't have education, but some of you can pick a wrong teacher. Why it's important to get good teacher who will teach you? First, you need to find a person who has enough experience. Like, I think 2-3 years it's not enough. You should find a person who 5 years at least in trading, because that teacher will see different market structure, because volatility every year is different. The biggest reason why it's so important, because market every year is different, and it's important to have a teacher who saw different volatility and trade there. Also, trade with teacher who saw big amount of money, who trade at least on 50k account, because friends, believe me, when you will trade on 10k and 500k, it's completely huge difference. Because just imagine, on 10k my risk per position was 100 USD, on 500k my risk per position in some cases was 2,500. Just imagine 3 stop losses and 4 stop losses, and you lost 10k. Friends, in Ukraine you can, for 10k you can have incredible life. Incredible life. I think in any places on the world you can have incredible life on 10k. That's why, once more, pick a teacher with good education, with good experience, who can prove you with statistic, who like also you can open my TradingView page and you can see last 2 years I posted everyday ideas, and you can see that 78 or 80% all of them works. Yes, there are stop losses, sometimes my trading plans doesn't work, but 70-80% it's huge amount of entries of ideas. That's why just open TradingView, below this you will find it. That's why, friends, pick your teacher wisely. Also take a look on testimonials. Pick your teacher wisely, because it will save you a lot of money. Let's go to another mistake. The next biggest mistakes which most of freshers do, it is money management. Friends, I receive so many messages from TradingView where people write to me and tell me that, hi Yuri, I lost like 200k. The biggest amount, Jay from Malaysia wrote to me 1 month ago, and he lost 200k on his account, 200k of USD, because of money management problem. Friends, you need to understand that all your mistakes, they start from the first one. You have unrealistic expectation. After that you don't study. After that you deposit your account, you start from huge account. What you need to understand: as a fresher, never trade with big account. Why it's so important? Because when you don't have approach, when you don't have a strategy, you don't need 10k, even 10k on your account. I understand that for most of you, many brokers will call and say, hi Jeremy, deposit 100k as a new signal on gold. But you, friends, it's a shit. Because you need to ask yourself why some brokers will give you such signals, such ideas, why they will support you. In this business, in this industry, is everything about money. That's why it's important to start with small, because when you will have small account, you will build your strategy, you will understand of the market. I want to open you a secret. You will not be able to make money on big account if you cannot make money on small account. Because when you will start trading on bigger amount, it will be harder emotionally, because most of you don't know the difference between when you trade like on 5,000 account and 500k account. They're completely huge difference, because lot size is totally different, and get draw down 20% on 5,000, it's not so hard like get 20% drawdown on 500k account, because on 500k account it is 100,000 drawdown, and you can live in every country 1 year for that money. That's why, friends, never start with bigger amount, huge amount. Start with small money. Because first you need to learn a strategy, you need to learn an approach. If some broker will tell you, man, deposit 100k and we make a lot of money, you can tell to them, guys, go in one direction. I think you know the direction, and don't believe them, because most of the brokers are scammers. It is a kitchen brokers. The next mistake also it will be about brokers. You don't need how to put risk per position. You don't need to know where you can increase volume, decrease volume. You don't have that plan. That's why it's important to learn about risk management. Also below this video, I think here would be some link on our risk management, how you can set good stop losses, all that stuff. That's why in description or above you will find that link. The next point is brokers. Friends, why it's important to choose a good broker? I receive many messages from TradingView. You can open my TradingView page below this video. There are a lot of free ideas which we post nearly every day. And I receive so many messages when people write to me, Yuri, that broker scammed me. They said to me that they will not withdraw money. Like. Another example, 2 days ago, my VIP member, my VIP subscriber wrote to me like his broker create a tail on a gold, and the tail doesn't exist on other brokers, and they blew out for him 20k of his British pound, 20k British pounds they blew out. And what you need to understand, brokers is important, and you need to learn how to choose it. Lesson, I will record lesson about brokers, it will be in description. At this moment, my recommendation: first, choose only regulated brokers in FCA, Great Britain, BaFin, German, NFA, US, ASIC, Australia, Japanese Security and Exchange Commission. You need to open accounts with companies which are regulated by good countries, and there are tier 1 countries like I told you. Only there you can open an account as a fresher. That's why right now you should check your broker and your regulation. If you see there some Vanuatu or British Virgin Islands, friends, they can do everything with your money. It's important, believe me. Without good brokers, you can also blow out a lot of money. Friends, one topic is really important. It connected to risk management, but I want to speak about it separately because it's essential. It is trading with loan money. Never trade on loan money, especially if you're a fresher. If someone calls you and recommend you to start your trading with low money because you can make a lot, don't believe that people. Friends, in most cases which I saw, when people start trading with loan money, I saw how they blew out so many funds. Example, my coworker, he borrowed 20k, and after that he started trading gold. He didn't master his strategy. He didn't use good money management. He used martingale in his trading and he blew out 12k. He has a salary 1000 of USD. He blew out his 1 year because he didn't know everything, and also it is a loan money. That means he blew out it and he will need to give it back. It's really painful, and all the time when you will give that money back, it will be horrible in your life. That's why never trade on loan money. Trading, it is for free money which you afford to lose. Only in that case you will be calm, you will be able to sleep good. Only in that case trading will be beneficial for you and you will get pleasure, you will enjoy it. That's why forget about loan money. And friends, next mistakes which most of freshers do is you don't know what to do, you don't have a plan. Plan in most cases you will get from your teacher, but what you need to understand, when you start your trading career, you need to learn a basis about market structure, how big players, why price moves into some direction, why not. It's a foundation. After, you need to learn a strategy, you need to learn an approach. Third, you need to learn about money management, where you can increase volume, when you must decrease volume, how you can start building your capital. Fourth, it will be mastering your strategy and money management together. Only after that, when you will master it, you will start building your statistic, you will start increasing your funds, you will speak with investors. For some people it will take 1 year. For me, without teacher, it took for me 5 years to become profitable trader. That's why I totally recommend to you to start education, to learn how to trade properly. Also, below this video you will find a link on our educational program. You can write to my team and ask about conditions and how to start. Why it's important to get good education? Because it will save you like from 5 years to 1 year, and also you will not blow out 100k. You will pay 1000, 2000 for your education. I mean, when you really trade, it will be realistic. Without that plan, for you it will be hard to achieve your dream, because I understand that most of you have a dream to quit your job, to start traveling, to move to another country, to help your parents, help your children. If you want to do it, you need to do it properly. And when you will do it, believe me, it will be awesome. Because if you will open my Instagram, you will see for the last year I was in 8 countries: Dubai, Germany, Russia, Poland, Italy, Spain. Friends, when you will see so huge different countries, it will be awesome. You will see different places. Your energy will be great. Guys, when you will bring your wife or your girlfriend into other country like Spain, to Mallorca or to Italy, believe me, after that your life will become far more better. That's why do it properly and everything will be good. That's why start good education. Friends, also right now just push like, subscribe on this lesson, share it with your friends, and write a comments what you think about education, what you think about our strategy, and what you think about these mistakes. Write please which mistakes you have done, and that comments will help other traders to avoid it. That's why just share it, and also when you do it, YouTube will see that this lesson is important and will share it with more people. Thank you for your time, have a good trading, see you soon, bye.